Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best stocking stuffers is probably one of the most exciting parts of the holiday season, especially when it comes to finding those perfect little treasures for the special girls in your life aged 5 to 7, a magical age where imagination runs wild and every small gift can spark immense joy and wonder, making this a delightful challenge for parents and gift givers alike to discover items that are not only fun but also foster creativity and learning, ensuring those Christmas morning smiles are bigger than ever. Number 5. Lip Smacker Lippy Pals Unicorn Magic Lip Balm. Get ready for a touch of magic with our Lippy Pals Unicorn Lip Balm. It's a fun and tasty way to keep your lips feeling soft and smooth all day long. This hydrating balm provides a soft shine while keeping your lips moisturized. Enjoy the delightful flavors that make every application a treat. Experience smoothing care that protects your lips. Its gentle formula is perfect for everyday use, ensuring your smile always looks its best. Feel good about what you're using. Our lip balm is proudly cruelty-free and vegan, so you can indulge with a clear conscience. Discover a world of fun, tasty flavors with this enchanting lip balm. It's the perfect accessory for anyone who loves a little bit of magic. What we like? If you're looking for a fun and safe way to keep lips moisturized, this is a great choice. It offers a variety of tasty flavors that kids will love. If you prioritize cruelty-free and vegan products, this lip balm is a perfect stocking stuffer. What people say. The stocking stuffers are perfect for girls aged 5 to 7, offering a variety of fun and engaging items that fit well into small spaces. Each item in the set is designed with bright colors and appealing characters, making them attractive to young children. The quality of the toys is surprisingly good for the price point, and they seem durable enough for regular play. Number 4. Unicorn Water Bottle Decorating Kit for Girls. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. It's easy to peel, stick, and decorate with sparkling gems, colorful stickers, and fun charms. This all-inclusive kit provides everything needed for a magical crafting experience. You'll find a water bottle, unicorn charms, gemstone stickers, vinyl stickers, and a sparkly wristlet. Delight any unicorn fan with this unique and creative gift. It's a fun, practical, and thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Kids will love customizing their bottles with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is designed for little hands, and cleaning is a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this water bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. It's rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards. This craft kit encourages creativity while promoting healthy hydration habits. It's an ideal activity for home or school use. What we like? For the creative girl who loves unicorns, this is an ideal gift. It encourages imagination and provides a practical item she can use daily. If you want a craft that results in a functional and personalized accessory, this water bottle kit is a fantastic option. What people say. The stocking stuffers are perfect for girls aged 5 to 7, offering a variety of engaging and age-appropriate items. Each item in the set is designed with vibrant colors and fun themes that appeal to young children. The quality of the materials used ensures durability, making these stocking stuffers a long-lasting gift option. Number 3. Wikki Stix Doodler Travel Toy. Keep your little ones entertained on the go with this amazing travel toy. It's perfect for airplanes, road trips, and anytime you need quiet, mess-free fun. These wax sticks are incredibly easy to use. They stick together with just a little pressure and peel off cleanly, leaving no sticky residue behind. The soft, bendable texture is wonderful for sensory play, helping to improve focus and creativity. It's a fantastic screen-free alternative for quiet engagement. Kids can build anything they imagine, from flat designs to simple 3D creations. This helps them develop essential fine motor skills and boost their creative confidence. This toy is proudly made in the USA and safety tested for children aged 3 and up. It's a trusted choice for parents, teachers, and therapists. The compact design makes it easy to pack for any adventure. It's the perfect companion for airplanes, road trips, and restaurant waits. What we like? If you need a quiet, screen-free activity for travel or downtime, these are perfect. They stick with fingertip pressure and are easy to reposition, making them mess-free. If you're looking for a way to keep little hands busy and engaged without any cleanup, consider this travel toy. What people say. The stocking stuffers are perfect for girls aged 5 to 7. The items included are age-appropriate and engaging for young children. This set offers a good variety of small toys and activities that fit well into stockings. Number 2. Nutty Toy Squishy Cat Set. Introducing the adorable Nutty Toy Squishy Cat Set. These charming little kitties are designed for ultimate fun and stress relief. Crafted from the highest quality silicone, these toys are built to last through all your squeezing and fidgeting. Add them to your holiday wish list today. These 2 baby kittens provide endless amusement for kids and adults alike. They help you stay focused, relaxed, and say goodbye to boredom and anxiety. Looking for a unique gift? These squishy cats make amazing stocking stuffers, birthday surprises, or party favors for teens and adults. Spread the joy with these delightful companions. Perfect for those with ADD, ADHD, or autism, pinching these soft toys helps you calm down and regain focus. Take your 2 tiny friends everywhere for instant stress relief. These squishy companions are more than just toys. They are your go-to for moments of stress or when you need a little extra focus. They are perfect for any occasion. What we like. For anyone needing a little stress relief or a fun fidget toy, these squishy cats are ideal. Their small size makes them easy to carry anywhere for a quick moment of calm. If you're looking for a cute, tactile toy that can help with focus and anxiety, these are a great choice. What people say. The stocking stuffers are a great value for the price. The items included are perfect for girls aged 5 to 7. The packaging was also very nice and made for easy gifting. Number 1. SunGemmers Suncatcher Kits for Kids. Unleash your creativity with our sparkling window art kit. It includes everything you need to design beautiful sun and rainbow suncatchers. Just peel and stick the colorful gems for a bright, mess-free masterpiece. This kit encourages self-expression and builds confidence as kids design their own sparkling suncatchers. The easy-to-follow color guides make it a satisfying and relaxing activity for independent play. Enhance fine motor skills, color matching, and spatial awareness with this engaging craft. Completing the project builds focus and pride in their beautiful artwork. Enjoy hours of fun without the mess. Our kit uses a simple peel and stick gem format, so there's no glue or paint involved. Cleanup is a breeze. Turn their artwork into beautiful decor. The finished suncatchers can be easily mounted on windows or mirrors, adding a touch of sparkle to any room. It's a proud moment they can enjoy long after crafting. This lightweight and portable kit is ideal for gifting or on-the-go entertainment. It's a great choice for playdates, vacations, or quiet afternoons, offering a simple yet rewarding creative experience. What we like. If you want a simple, mess-free craft that results in beautiful decor, this Suncatcher kit is perfect. The guided peel and stick format makes it easy for young children to create stunning art. If you're looking for a screen-free activity that enhances fine motor skills and provides a proud display piece, this is a wonderful option. What people say. The stocking stuffers are perfect for girls aged 5 to 7, offering a variety of engaging and age-appropriate items. Each item in the set is designed with bright colors and fun themes that appeal to young children, making them exciting to discover. The quality of the toys included is surprisingly good for the price point, ensuring they can withstand play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.